Hi there. So you want to get on YouTube, but you feel like an imposter? Welcome to the club. It's completely normal. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get over imposter syndrome or work with imposter syndrome so that you can be successful on YouTube. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. So I was in that exact position maybe less than a year ago when I first got on YouTube. And I'm going to share how I got over imposter syndrome. But first, we need to explain what imposter syndrome is in the first place. The definition is imposter syndrome is the feeling of inadequacy or self-doubt, even when there's no reason for it. It's the voice in your head telling you that you're not qualified or experienced enough to succeed despite evidence to the contrary. So what's the best way to get over imposter syndrome? Well, to just be honest about where you are on your journey. That's how I started my channel, and it resonated with a ton of people. I came to YouTube and I said, I'm going to do a YouTube monetization journey on my channel, and I'm going to try to become a full-time content creator. And I'm going to share everything I'm learning from my online courses that I'm taking, from the mentors I've hired, and all of that regarding YouTube. And what works for me, I will share with you. And that's exactly what I did. I was a knowledge reporter when I first came to YouTube, and I am still, I would say 70% a knowledge reporter because I have only been on YouTube less than a year. I can't possibly be a guru or a master at something I haven't even done a full year. So I am still a knowledge reporter for the majority of the videos I post on YouTube. I do have experience in other things now that I've been doing throughout the year as well. So I do have a little bit more experience on some topics than I do on others. And I share those as an authority, and the topics where I don't know as much or I'm not as confident, then I share it as a knowledge reporter. So with regards to being an imposter, the best way to not feel like an imposter is to not pretend to be something you're not. It's really that simple. I never come to YouTube or any of my videos and pretend that I know about something that I do not know about. I will not state facts unless I have tested and tried things and it has worked for me. And even then, if I share something that has worked for me, I do say, with a caveat, this is just my experience, based on my experience on my channel. The results may vary with your channel. So I do always share information, but I do it in a way that doesn't allude to the fact that I know everything, because I don't know everything. In fact, I know tiny bit about YouTube. And however, I'm doing quite well with my YouTube channel. And I think that is because people love honesty. They love sincerity, they love authenticity, and they want to be able to trust the person. So when you are able to show up to YouTube, speak your ideas, speak your passion, speak your knowledge, your wisdom, your experience, whatever you're trying to teach or show on your YouTube channel, if you speak it from a place of being where you are. I don't need to be Mr. Beast to help people on YouTube. I just need to be a few steps ahead of people on YouTube to help people on YouTube. For example, many people come to me and pay me to help them with their YouTube channel when they could pay many other people out there, but they choose me because I'm not millions of miles ahead of them. I'm actually only maybe 6 months ahead of them, 3 months ahead of them even, right? And so I do think there is so much value to being just a few steps ahead. So if you are on your journey and you want to share your journey on YouTube on how to help people get to where you are when you were maybe only somewhere else 6 months ago, you can do that. You don't need to feel like you don't know what you're talking about, because whatever you did got you to this point, right? And now you are successful at this point. And you don't have to worry about people catching up to you or asking you questions you don't know. Because if you don't know something, they know if they hire you knowing you're at this point in life, right? Let's say maybe they know you were sexually abused. And now you are at the point where you're in a happy marriage. But before that, you struggled to even date men, right? And maybe you just got married like a few weeks ago, but you are so excited about where you are in life now and what you have come through. And you can help those people that are trying to get back out in the dating realm, but they're scared. You can help them to get there, right? You can help them because you're here. And even if you weren't married, even if you were still dating, the fact that you were dating and they're not dating, you can help them to start dating again. Even though it doesn't seem that far away, but you know how far away that actually is. You know how long that took you to get there. You know how hard that was for you to go from being scared to date to dating to now married, right? So I just want you to know that imposter syndrome is in your head. Imposter syndrome can be completely solved and eliminated if you just come to YouTube, state where you are, who you want to help, and why you can help them. You absolutely can. You will always be further ahead of someone in life, and you will always be further behind someone in life. However, the people that you are ahead of are the ones you can help. Just because there's people ahead of you doesn't mean you can't help people. You can help people, and I want to encourage you to come to YouTube with that confidence. I know I can help new YouTubers. I help them all the time. I am a new YouTuber, right? I am. I haven't even been on YouTube a year, and I'm helping people. In fact, I was helping people when I was only on YouTube 3 months. Within 3 months, I started helping people because I had a channel. I had set it up. I had videos on it. I was getting subscribers and views. And I was presenting my ideas. And people enjoyed my teaching style and understood what I was trying to tell them. And so you can do that as well. You can do that right now. Right now, you have knowledge and wisdom and skills that someone doesn't have a few steps behind you. And you can help those people. So do not ever feel like you are not good enough. You are good enough. And in fact, people are waiting for you. So do not let imposter syndrome stop you, because there are people waiting to resonate with you, waiting to resonate with your message, to resonate with your personality, to learn from you because you inspire them, because you are married now and you have dated people despite getting over all the trauma you went through. So you can do this. You totally can. And if you come to it with that confidence, that's another thing I think is really important. When we think we're being an imposter, we show up to the camera nervous. We show up feeling not good enough. We show up not standing in our power. That shows. That will show through the camera. That will show through the lens. That will show in your videos. So I want you to come to your YouTube videos in your power. Stand in your power. You are a human that has lived who knows how long. You know how long you've lived. I've lived 45 years. I have 45 years of experience as a human on this earth. I have seen lots of different things. I have been through lots of different problems and issues, and I have overcome lots of them, and I'm still working on others, right? But the ones I have worked on, the success I have had, that I can teach to others. What have you learned? What are you capable of doing? And do not belittle your experience, because your experience is so profound to someone who wants to be in your position. Someone that wants to have what you have, wants to feel the way you feel, wants to show up to life the way you show up to life. That is so profound to them. So do not belittle that. Do not lessen your value. You are valuable. People want to learn from you and your experiences because they will resonate with you and the light that you are shining through your videos. So definitely do not diminish who you are. And yes, you can admit in your videos, I'm at this level. If you need help getting here, I can help you. I can't help people who have 1 million subscribers, right? I can't. That's not my goal. I don't need to help 1 million subscriber people. I want to help people that see YouTube as opportunity and they want to get on it and they don't know how to take that first step. That's the people I can help. In 5 years, I'll be able to help people get to 100,000 subscribers, right? When I get to 100,000 subscribers, I can help people get to 15,000, 20,000. I'm at 30,000 now, right? So I can help a lot. And in a few years, I'll be able to help even more. But you know what? In a few years, I'll be further away from the people that I'm starting with now. And I might not be as appealing to them, but you will be, because you are starting and you are just 3 months, 6 months ahead of them. So I think it's very interesting, this imposter syndrome. I would say ignore it. It's unnecessary because you're not an imposter. If you show up who you are, where you are in life, stand proud, speak confidently, chest up, look forward, smile, laugh, have fun, be real with people. They will want to work with you. They will want to learn from you. They will want to be entertained from you. So that's my advice for how to get over imposter syndrome. because it doesn't exist if you don't pretend to be something you're not. Hopefully this was helpful. If you are just getting started on YouTube, I do have a new YouTuber checklist that you can download for free, and it walks you step by step how to get started on YouTube. It's very in-depth. It's about a 25-page document. It gives you step-by-step instructions on what to do, how to get started on YouTube. So if that sounds interesting to you, definitely check out the link in the description below. I also have just finished my online course, so I'm proud of that. And if you want to buy that, it is a paid course. If you want to buy that, that's also in the link in the description below. And remember, stand in your strength. You are beautiful, you are powerful, you are important, and you have something to share with the world that they will benefit from when you speak your truth. So thanks for being here, and I can't wait to see how much you grow on YouTube. Thanks. Bye for now.